Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are changing out a AC blower motor on our 2001 Acura MDX. Sometimes the blower motor doesn't turn on, so then we don't get any air coming through our vents. It's a hit or miss kind of scenario, but your blower motor is right there. See it? This one? There's 3 screws holding it in place. We have a replacement already too. I went to the junkyard and grabbed a whole bunch of MDX parts. This is a replacement blower motor from the junkyard, and it just came off another MDX. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this panel off. This pops right up. There's 4 tabs. This slides open. You might have a nut right here. Mine doesn't have one. There's tabs on this as well. Let me pull it out. You can take my floor mat out. This has a tab right here, and then a screw. It also clips on to the side molding with this. Three screws. So there's 1, 2 over here. That's 2. 1 more screw. All right, I'm gonna use one of these flex. Alright, now unplug. Alright. Why is this not releasing? It was just seized in there. Alright, got it out. I will plug it in after. We're gonna get the easier ones in first. So 2 Phillips screws. And don't make it too tight. Alright, it's loose. Let's go ahead and put this one in. Alright, 2. Last one in the back. Alright. Back one's tight. Do the easy ones now. Now you can make them tighter. Alright, now plug in the connector. This clicks in place. Alright, let's go ahead and test our AC before we piece everything back together.
Support when you become a foster parent with National Youth Advocate Program.
Is it cold? Yeah, it's blowing pretty strong. Cool. Pull off a little. It's too hot to be doing this in the middle of summer. Hook this onto the rubber molding first. And then we line up the carpet, and then this pops in place. Alright. This clips on the edges first, on the outside edge. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see this little clip right here? And there's another tab over here. It clips on that rubber molding on the side. These rubber moldings. Alright. Once it's lined up like that, you can press these down